Test, test, baby. Got everything set up right. Good morning, people. Can you guys hear me? Test. I'm setting up my camera, and Mark says setting up phone. There we go. WPF meeting. Good morning, Tony. Good morning. All right, we got 26 minutes pre-market, guys. Um, 4 minutes late, 40 push-ups. That'll get me too hyped, too excited. I have my black coffee. This is how you properly drink your coffee. AMC GameStop muggers. There we go. Good morning. Shout out Molly Stacks. Who is that? Are you messing with me? Hey, good morning, guys. Let's go. GameStop gapped up slightly. A little bit of action pre-market here at 260. Not a lot of volume, though. I'm liking more here on AMC, guys. We got 2 days, baby. Today's Thursday, right? Today's Thursday. So we got 2 days. I want to hit $18 before Friday. Or on Friday. Was drinking cold coffee again. What do you guys like your coffee? Cold or hot? Cold or hot coffee? Good morning from Alabama. Good morning, guys. Where's Jamer? Jamer's right here. He's always staring at me. He's always staring at me. Is that black coffee? Yes. Hot, hot, cold, hot. I don't drink coffee. Jen does not drink coffee. Let's see. How's Tesla? How's my Tesla doing? Even though I have no position in Tesla. Oh, I gap down to 681. I'm gonna set my alerts. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for this to come down, guys. Don't think I forgot about Neo either. It's got some Neo. Also gap down. Not surprised. How's futures? Futures are red. 1.69%. You know what that means for GameStop, right? Usually when the entire index is red, GameStop is green. SPY pulling back. Interesting day today. This is not GameStop. This is GameStop. Um, yeah, what's the 10-year at? The 10-year must be slowly going up, probably. My guess is 10.71. See how far I'm off. 10, I mean, not 10.71, 1.71. It's at 1.74. I Demon says, I love this shit. I've been watching you every day for the last 4 weeks. How would I get to become a mod on the chat? Thank you for the dono. I'm a huge believer in ask and you shall receive. So I'm gonna make you a mod. Let's see, where are you at? Congrats. One, no, 10.71, 1.7. It's at 1.74. 10-year treasury yield surges to a 14-month high. Do you guys think we pull back later this month? Have some cash ready, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a retard, but have some cash on the side just in case you see some Tesla at 539 again. You see this? I'm licking my lips. These deals, if these deals happen, I messed up so bad. I timed Tesla so bad the first time. Let's get to $18 this week. Yeah, we're at 14.25, guys. We've been following this pattern here. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at this uptrend. Even on the 15, it's more apparent here on the 1 hour. How is that not such a beautiful pattern on AMC? I'm not doing a Bitcoin giveaway. There's a scammer on this channel, guys. Using, you guys know, right? Alfredo, are you here? Alfredo, I think he was here. I think even 600 on Tesla is good. I think so too. I think just to start and initiate your position, I think that won't be a bad price point. Alfredo's here. That guy you replied to yesterday, it was a scammer. It wasn't me. Because I know you replied to him. You know how he asked for like the WhatsApp? It wasn't me. So I know you did kind of probably reach out to him because you replied to him. So yeah, the fake Ralph. Guys, we're close to 15K subs. I did not know we were gonna get there this fast. So I need to start getting that PS5 ready. We're only 400 subs away. That's insane. Got that PS5 ready. Ugh. Let's see, let's see. Rigged. I appreciate that, John. I bought in at Tesla 700. I'm eating my hands. You got in at 700. So you're telling me you bought yesterday. You chased Tesla at this price, 700. What was your plan? I'm curious to what your plan was on Tesla. Assuming you bought yesterday at market close, right? Did you get your PJR? Mm-mm-mm. Why is that performing the last couple of days? Do they still even make the PS5? Absolutely. I got in a while ago. No plan, no plan. So you're telling me you bought Tesla with no plan, just FOMO? That is not good. FOMO is never the answer. Let's see. I'm kind of scared to look at Fintel, but I'm just gonna do it. 1.7 mil. I went down to 700,000 an hour ago. Down from 3 million. Let's take a look at GameStop. GameStonk. I got 7,000 to spend. Yeah, just wait for the deals to come through. One of the most simple strategies for me has always just been Warren Buffett's quote. Buy or be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. That has just always worked for me. Have you invested in crypto lately? No. So you guys like who tuned in here on the Sunday live stream? Sunday. We went live for Sunday for the first time. So you know how we usually do Monday through Friday, power hour, market open. We did Sunday, and since markets are closed Sunday, other than futures opening up at 3 p.m. here, I thought I would rather have or just trade crypto on the weekends. Because from our Discord, we have a couple people on there who trade crypto and are way more knowledgeable on the crypto side of things that I can bring on. And you guys can learn a lot as well. Because I'm a potato when it comes to crypto. ADA. You guys know the 80. See, someone just Gabriel just mentioned ADA towards that. I'm interested in getting an ADA. ADA. You read my smooth brain right now. ADA popped off. Morning, Rick. I'm excited for today, but afraid we are up pre-market. But either way, my 88 gonna save me. Hey, you guys are killing it, man. 88 is moving. Let's take a look at GameStop for Ventel. Even though we don't trust this, 250K. $88 went from like 50 cents, right? To like 16 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. 88 price. Cardano. Or am I confusing them? No, it has an all-time high of 149. I think I'm looking at the wrong. I might. No, let me see. It's like 140. Yeah, I'm confusing them. Robert says he got a new computer. Wondering where office freezing and wondering why AMC is not moving. Cardano is 88. It's like 140. 1414 is a new 801. Yeah, like I said, keep that trend on watch, guys. We're slowly going up. No, I was talking to my buddy yesterday about crypto, and a lot of people in the Discord were talking about 88, and I got it mixed up. He mentioned another coin that went from like 50 cents to like 16 bucks. That's the one I confused it with. Alrighty, not a lot going on pre-market, guys, with GameStop 214, AMC at 1415. If Cardano was at 16 bucks, I'd be a multimillionaire. Trey said $16 today for AMC. $16, eh? It's possible. It's very possible we could see 16 bucks on AMC today, guys. If that does happen today, I think we could see 18 by Friday. They're talking about AMC on Cnbc. Let's pull it up real quick. Let's see. It says they're on commercial break. Are you trolling me? What is the coin? ADA Cardano. ADA. A as in ape. D as in dollar. A as in ape. All right, they're back. AMC's on. Baby!
AMC's up in the pre-market as it plans to have 98% of U.S. locations open beginning tomorrow, including more than 40 reopenings in California. AMC expects 99% of its theaters nationwide to be open by March 26th, Jim. And, of course, about a month after that, we'll get Disneyland.
That too.
Yeah, the things are picking up everywhere, and I think one of the things that we're seeing is that people are certainly not going to wait.
AMC,
baby. If you waited, I think you obviously missed a gigantic move. Ooh. Congratulations to Adam Aaron, who kept the chairs on what people thought was a Titanic in place, and it turned out it wasn't Titanic at all. It's the Soul Survivor. By the way, they once played in my high school, Soul Survivor, David. That was a group.
Okay.
And Expressway to Your Heart. Forget it.
Okay.
But, Carl, I really believe in AMC being the only movie chain that got through this.
Well, they got through it, though, because of the Reddit rebellion.
Pump
or
it,
whatever you want to call that, right?
What are you talking about, gamification?
Yeah, I'm just talking about the fact that the stock went up to levels that were, well, you see what it did, that seemed impossible to imagine given at least fundamental analysis, but enabled them to sell stock. They did it along the way. I mean, kudos to Adam Aaron for taking advantage of what he was given and being able to keep that company afloat.
Thank you, because that's the use of the capital markets the way they're and Royal Caribbean has done it.
You want to send my stock up to 18? Great. Here you go. Sold to you.
I think Adam Aaron, great piece about him and how he survived and won this.
Right.
But the Carnival cruise is, recommended today is an upgrade. I've got to tell you, Carl, one of the things that's amazing about the Reddit cruise, so to speak, is you think that they've been picked off. They've been picked off when they made their buys, but they're up on their buys.
Yeah.
I mean, that's more than I can say about the hedge fund kings who who said hell was coming.
GME's hanging in there at over $200 a share. Carl, something I know you've been focused on, we've talked about, is that theatrical window, because so much has changed in the last year in terms of the willingness of the producers of films to take them right to direct to consumer. Of course, our parent company, NBC Universal, started tightening up that window early on. You saw Disney make some decisions in terms of releasing things direct to Disney Plus. And then, of course, the latest Wonder Woman movie released without any window, right to HBO Max for a certain amount of time for its subscribers. I did ask John Stankey, the man who runs AT&T, which of course owns Warner, whether we'll ever see the return of the old windows, so to speak, in terms of how long you have to get to watch something in a movie theater. Here's what he said.
I don't think we're going to see the return of the windowing exactly the way it was 2 or 3 years ago. I think there's still going to be a meaningful theatrical window for content that is relevant to see in a theatrical experience. The industry is constructively working through this, and it's going to ultimately be a win-win for everybody.
We're hoping it's a win-win for everybody, Jim.
Well, it's been a win-win for Viacom. I know. The pause did everything.
No, it's going to be fascinating, guys, to see how the creatives take this as well. We talked to John Chu last week. He's got a new movie called In the Heights coming out based on the musical by Lin-Manuel Miranda. And did you see, David, the pictures of Christopher Nolan in the theater wearing his mask on the day that L.A. theaters opened up? So some of these guys who believe their movies should be seen big are going to try to position themselves and maybe even demand that their movies are released in a bigger window.
And it is a different experience, to be fair, it is. I mean, you can sit home with the biggest screen you can find and watch on Netflix or any other service, but it is a different experience, Carl. I think we can all relate to that. And the economics, though, as you point out as well, and we talked to Chen about it, are changing, too. How do you get paid on the back end when there isn't one, right? So it'll be interesting to see how they all adjust.
Wow.
Right. We'll get to some of those calls that we mentioned, that upgrade of Carnival and some other reopening stories as well. And, of course, you got to keep your eye on rates today, as the futures will reflect some nervousness about tech's exposure to a rising rate environment. Don't go away.
I'll go away, guys. Keep that 10-year on watch. Watch NASDAQ. But usually what happens, guys, when NASDAQ is down. Guys, pure pump. I thought Kramer was against this. They'll be using the chat, baby. Even he agrees with. I have the same viewpoint. It's different. Going to a movie theater, having that experience is different. I don't remember the last time I went to a movie theater. On Monday when I tried to go, guys, I was like, you know what? I'll buy the tickets after I shower. I got out and they were sold out. Yes, they have the safety, the 6 feet. So I'm pretty sure there's limited capacity. He said 98% this week for LA. Tomorrow, here in LA, everything's open. I'm going to buy my tickets. It's just going to be so nostalgic to go back. I'm getting goosebumps under my freaking spacesuit as I spoke about this. What user interface are you using? Thinkorswim? Yeah, 25% though. That's the thing. I was aware of that. Even OC, AM, they got an OC. Even Orange County, someone posted on Reddit. Look, we're testing pre-market highs. Let's do this and open the gates and let the bulls run. In 8 minutes, we got 8 minutes before the market opens, guys. 8 minutes. I got my vaccine. Would you wear a gorilla suit to the movies and record it at 175,000 subs? I'd wear it for free. I'd wear it. They won't even let you in with the suit, by the way. Danny, thank you for the dono. Like I said, ask and you shall receive. Don't donate anymore, guys, for mods. That's the last one I'm gonna be doing for mods. I appreciate you guys asking your donations. Don't donate, guys. Put it into the market. Put that money into the market. But truly grateful. We're gonna be giving all those donos back to you guys. So thank you in the chat for all the donations. Take a shot every time Ralph says think or swim. All right, here we go, guys. We're closing in on the 5-minute mark. Buy more AMC instead. Let's see, let's see. Did you guys see Roaring Kitty's tweet?
Happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody in a deep fucking
Oh, sorry about that.
cheers to all y'all.
Thomas, no love today. What do you mean? Love every day.
Peace out.
You gotta love Roaring Kitty, man. I'm waiting for his tweet today. He deserves all his success, man. I'm so happy for him. I'm so happy for him. He was a real catalyst. Yahoo shows a major Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin at? 58,000? It's seen some slight resistance, of course, every 5 cents. Damn it. We have resistance on AMC. Every 5 cents or so. Roaring Kitty, what's up? He doesn't stream. His lawyers probably tell him not to stream anymore, honestly. Why were you talking about Cardano earlier? Because I'm interested in hopping into crypto. So if you guys aren't aware, we live stream every day. I'm pretty sure you guys know that. But we are now going live Sundays, guys, at 3 p.m. Pacific, because that's the time futures open up. The futures markets, yes, 1426. Slowly we're creeping. Can we hit 1450? That's the price target we want to go for if at market open. Because I was saying on Sundays I want to start trading crypto, and I want to bring you guys, some of you guys, if you guys are interested, I'm gonna plug in the Discord. If you guys want to hop on Sundays, if you guys have some diligence on any other stocks, we'd love to hear it. You live stream every day? Yes. No, yes, 29. We're going for that 1450 level, guys. We're coming back here. Look, this is exactly where the top was at on Monday. Literally 1450. Yes, I'll zoom in right now. You guys love when I zoom in like a lot, right? You guys want to see this? Futures or analysis is absolutely like the weekends just suck for me. It's like throughout the week you're like, oh, we get to rest on the weekends, right? And then when the weekends come, you're like, where's the market? It's just a different vibe when the market is closed. Is it just me? Is that just me? Am I going crazy? But it's like the weekend comes around, you wake up Saturday, and my body's just used to waking up at the same time. So I wake up at the same time, and I'm like, oh, there's no market today. $34? Oh, we got a minute and 25 seconds, and GameStop is not really moving, but GameStop's a sleeping beast, guys. GameStop is a sleeping beast. I wouldn't underestimate GameStop. I guess remember what happens when pre-market is low and there's not a lot going on. Usually GameStop just shoots up. So if it does shoot up, this is my price target at market open. And for AMC, my price target is 14.50. Let me set my alert on this bad boy. Here we go. 1 minute. Buckle up, strap on. It's gonna be a bumpy ride like every single day. GameStop is gonna rip next week. I'm so thrilled. That is probably the biggest thing I was looking forward to this year. The GameStop earnings call. GameStop has been they have been quiet. They have not spoken about anything. My wife just walked into the room and said, I love hearing the voice of my new boyfriend when she heard Ralph. Oh, you guys are funny. How can I send you due diligence? On the Discord. I'm plugging the Discord really quick, but here we go. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Even Doge. Let's get Doge. PS5 incoming. Oh, no, PS5 in those earnings too for 39. Absolutely. Here we go. GameStop pulling back. Usually doing the opposite. No, don't pull back on me. You usually shoot up. Is that going to drag AMC down? 14.31. Here we go. Market is indeed open. One thing I want to look for and not miss today, guys, is futures. Let me see really quick. Let me peep this really quick. All right. Looks like they're recovering. Have my alert there on there. Let's see. GameStop. AMC pulled back. Who sold? We can't afford GameStop to pull back, guys. We have the uptrend here still going. It can't come under 210. You guys see this? All right, perfect. I hate when this happens, man. Look, it's not moving. It's like it's halted. 14.12. Look, 14.12, 14.12. Alrighty. Literally fighting in between the candle. Look at this. These swings on these candles are pretty aggressive, pretty odd. It looks like we had some profit takers come in and some dip buyers come in as well. Because look at AMC. Oh, we're going to 14.50, baby. All right, this is looking promising on GameStop here too. Has some slight selling pressure here at the EMA. 14.50. Let's go. Why did my alert not go off? Come on, GameStop, it's your turn. Push to 217. Oh my God, these market makers are listening to us. 217. We have hit our price targets in 1 minute into the market open. I don't know what's going on. Literally there it is. Hit my price target. Remove that line. I'm gonna have a heart attack. My palms are sweaty. Let me pin this really quick. Look at this. Look at the aggressive pullbacks we're having on GameStop and AMC. Oh my God. Look at this candle from 218. What's going on? Something just happened, guys. Something just happened right now. I think we're getting manipulated. This is not a right candle at all. I've never seen a candle this large. Look at this. 218 to 209. That's such a crazy candle. I don't believe this. There's no way. There is no way. What? Bro, I've never seen a candle in my life like this. I need to screenshot this or something. This is like... That's a long candle. That does not make sense in my smooth brain at all. You guys are seeing this or what? Deep effing value sold? No, I don't think he'll sell. All right, AMC is bouncing back too, but the only thing I'm worried about is this candle on GameStop. Oh my gosh. Hopefully we bounce back to 214 right now, like AMC is doing, beautifully bouncing. But we need that bounce here on GameStop. AMC 10 million volume in 3 minutes. People are saying, no, I don't think he sold. I don't think he sold. I don't know what this was. Every time we catch a break, man. Well, last week, guys, every spike we were having, which this spike was aggressive too, by the way, 213 to 218. That's a pretty darn strong candle here at open, but it was followed by an aggressive pullback. But I did not think it would be this aggressive. We have not seen it. I've never seen a candle like this before. Have you guys seen a candle like this? I have not. Oh, this is not looking good. Don't double bottom at 209. This is gonna definitely affect AMC here as it pulls back. Already 11.7 million volume. Two AMC buy orders, 954,000. Oh, I can see it in my eye. GameStop is pulling back. I just see in my peripheral vision the dragging of those red candles. I'm kind of sketched out, guys. I'm very sketched out. It's pulling back. I do not want to see this drop to 207, guys. You know why? Because if it comes down under 200 with those stop losses, guys, it could come to double bottom at 170. And if it goes under 170, it could come to like 130, the 130 range. This is not good. We need to hold these higher lows. I don't know. I feel a little sus. I feel a little sus. Do you see candles in your sleep? William says AMC seems to be finding support at 14.14. Yeah, AMC's holding pretty strong compared to GameStop, guys. I'm kind of surprised AMC has not pulled back to like $14. It's a smaller version of the candle drop from 350. That too is just a different price range. Someone wrote some due diligence on GameStop, supposedly going to dip all the way down to 150. Long write up on GME Reddit to 150. That would put us back down here, still above the SMA. Even at 150, even if it's at 150, I still think it has a beautiful uptrend. But the thing is, I want to hold above 200 while we have earnings next week, guys. All right, there's that first green candle. Finally, after what, 4 consecutive red candles? No hedge fund can see your stop losses? Or did you mean no hedge funds can see your stop losses? It just makes sense to me where people would set their stop losses. $300, $250, $200, just that whole number mark. And we've seen this even on Tesla when it went down from 700 like 680 something. That's such a beautiful bounce on GameStop, guys. We got the double crayon here, double green crayon all the way to 213. Again, every time we pull back, we're playing the higher low game. All right, we're still above 200, guys. Let's hold above 200 today on GameStop. Push for me. Don't get rejected at EMA. People love even numbers. It works better. Absolutely. It's just easier for your smooth brain to set your stop loss there. It's not like, oh, I'm going to set my stop loss at 194.38. Like, who does that? I just do that same thing. I don't even set stop losses anymore. I set mental stop losses. What catalyst do we have for GameStop next week? The earnings next week. I thought they were on the 25th, guys. I could have sworn that GameStop had earnings on Thursday and the CFO left on Friday, the 26th. But I guess I was wrong. I guess they switched them to the 23rd. So we have the earnings and the earnings call. To me, the earnings call matters more, like it did on AMC, than the earnings, the actual earnings. Did anyone else think their earnings were on the 25th, or am I just like losing my mind? They did switch, right? All right, I thought I was going crazy. So it's so backwards with AMC. AMC earnings were on Thursday, on February 25th, which is a Thursday, and we're like, all right, we'll wait for that. And then they switched them to Tuesday, March 2nd, and then they switched them again to Wednesday, March 10th. It was the 25th, day of my birthday. Happy early birthday, Diana. Okay, I'm not losing my mind, right? Ralph had a wake and bake this morning. Next earning day is the 23rd, absolutely. So it was the 25th. So with the GameStop, they're doing this backwards. They're moving it earlier for us. Alrighty, guys, we're back above EMA on GameStop. Why did they switch it? I don't know. Anybody want to put on their tinfoil hat with me? They read up on Reddit thread. GameStop was no guarantee, but it would trigger the gamma squeeze. It's crazy, but deals with market makers in the shorts. Can you send me that? Please? Anywhere. Anywhere will be fine. Alright, we're still seeing some rejection here on GameStop at 210. Just think about the price on GameStop, guys. We're at 210 for GameStop. This is the second time here. The second test, the second EMA test on AMC at $14. GameStop is still very much indecisive here at 211 if it's going to push up to 214 or if it's going to come down to 219 and form higher lows. Let's see. Link URL on the chat. Yeah, you could link it in this chat. I don't know if it lets you send links in the YouTube chat, but there's also a Discord pinned. I'll send it one more time here. You could also hop in there if you're not in there. You could send it the link in there as well. Tesla fallen. Just set another on futures. And Tesla slowly coming down. Let's wait for this bad boy to come down. Tesla, I'm coming for you. Tesla is not ripping. All right, looks like we're bouncing off 208, which happens to be a higher low. Again, let's wait for some confirmation of a reversal. This is a pattern we've seen, guys, on GameStop. AMC back to $14. It's testing that $14 support. Let's see it. Hey, Ralph, has the liquidation rule been implemented yet, where the DTC can liquidate the hedge funds? No. That's the part, to me, that matters more than them being able to report their positions on a daily basis instead of a monthly basis. Guys, if they're able to liquidate their positions, you know what that means? That's basically a guarantee, almost a 99.9% guaranteed squeeze. After even they put in the disclaimer, they put on I think it was the 10th page of the filing that they're not responsible for losses. To me, that's just them covering themselves, right? Because they know these hedge funds would lose billions of dollars. They're done. They go belly up. They passed yesterday. No, if I'm not mistaken, the second part, it was Rule 802, right? I think that's what it was called, Rule 802. That was not passed yet. Can someone correct me on that? DTCCC passed yesterday. No, they passed the first one, not the 802. Let me find that link again. Am I wrong? Let me see. I think I might be wrong. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong or if I... It's red to me that's out for comments not passed yet. What's up, Steve? What's up? 801? 801 or 802? 801. Okay, 801. Not passed yet. Yes. To me, that Apple's falling too. Tech is pulling back, guys. To me, that's the one that That's the one that's done. That's the nail in the coffin right there. Apple's pulling back. This is why I said earlier, guys, have some extra cash just in case. Not a financial advisor. I'm an idiot. I'm a retard. But if it does come down, if Apple comes down, I want to grab some Apple too. Let's see what a good dip buy would be. Even just buying these dips here. Look at 110 and it shot up to 145. Depends. What's your trading plan? On every single stonk. Have a trading plan. Tesla bounced. This would have been a good dip buy. I have a trigger finger, man. Alrighty, there's that bounce again. So it looks like it did retrace lower than 207, hit 206, but these bounces here are pretty strong, guys. It looks like we have a wumbo coming along. A little W. You guys see this? We're not seeing a stronger bounce on AMC like we are on GameStop, but then again, you want to break past these higher lows here. Same thing with AMC. Break past these higher lows. Quit FOMOing. Yeah, so someone check me, guys. When every time I want to buy Tesla, just tell me to wait. 250 likes for Rocket Fuel. Yeah, you guys are enjoying the stream. It helps out the channel tremendously when you guys drop a like. It helps the stream blow up and it helps the channel grow. You guys are insane. We're almost so close to 15K. We just hit 14K the other day. So PS5 time. It helps the channel grow. Look at this. Seeing the rejection we're talking about. This is not good as well for AMC. But again, I'm not surprised because this is a consistent pattern we've had on GameStop, guys. And you guys know what happens? Usually right around when we end the stream at 9 in a couple hours, that's when we tend to see the recovery. But the other day we saw it immediately. We literally V'd. What day did we V? Let me see. Tesla's fallen. This day right here. Was it Monday? Tuesday. In like an hour and 15 minutes, we recovered super quick, which is pretty fast. So I'm not surprised. Let's give it some time. Let's give it some time. Higher lows. Let's find that. I want to buy. Let's see. Set an alert. Let's be patient. Let's see. Earnings on 428. Yes, thank you, Robert. Daily reporting requirement did pass. That's the one that passed. The liquidation is the one that did not pass. Tech stocks crumble as renewed inflation fears. Yeah, the 10-year is still pushing probably, guys. And yo, Bay, thank you for the dono. Am I doing this right? I don't know what you mean by that. But thank you for the dono. Ralph Jr. Ralph Jr. is right here. Mr. Jamer. Tesla is at 600. Tesla target 660. Yeah, what are the volumes? What's the volume currently for AMC versus GameStop? Because these volumes have swapped these last couple of days, guys. With GameStop being the #1 volume, AMC lagging behind, now it's different. Things are switching up. AMC is the one that's pushing right now, actually, volume-wise. It's leading the way. So it looks like we're having another test of the smooth trend line here at 1420. So let's see if we can break above that. This is not looking good. Do you guys see what I'm seeing? I see a descending triangle here. This might break down to 207. This is not good. Triple bottom at 207. I'm clenching my cheeks. Don't come down. 23 million volume on AMC. GME 1.5. Wow. WhatsApp in morning. Are you told me with the fake Ralph on WhatsApp? Oh, you don't in your base. Keep your money. Just put it in the market. I appreciate the donor though. I appreciate you supporting the community. Truly do. There's that breakout here on AMC. We're seeing a breakout happen here on AMC. Unlike GameStop, which is literally hit. GameStop looks like it's about to fall off a cliff. Come on, bounce, bounce. Oh, these patterns, man. It's hanging in there. Literally doing the opposite of what AMC's doing. Um, People are selling GameStop to get into AMC. People are paper handing GameStop and rotating into AMC. I think people have both. Who here has both? AMC and GameStop. It's bouncing. Yes. We're still in there. This is literally going to give me a heart attack. The thing is, it needs to get away from 207. I'm not convinced yet. It is not, this candle is not looking too strong. It's hanging in there. So it's so close. It's hanging by a hair at 207. It looks like it's affecting AMC slightly, actually. Let's give it some time. Let's see. Both, me and lots of both. Ralph, I'm thinking with Slim, how do you make the open space show on the right? Okay, this is a problem I had too. I can't figure it out. I like your Gmail right now, but not your AMC. You have to go to drawings, go to drawing tools, and get the little finger, and you could pan it like this. This is such a game changer because I hate when candles are like literally like this, so close to the right. But I just do this for space so you guys can see it better. But do you guys like it better when it's close to the right or to the left like this? Because look at this. You could look at the whole entire trading day like this. Like you see, this is what we got to feel. Did AMC just break out? I think. Oh, what's going on? I missed it. Something just came out on the news for sure. This is a weird spike. Such a weird spike. Is any news out, guys? Did any news just come out? This is pretty weird. Or is it just a technical breakout? This is just a technical cup and handle forming. Could that be it? All right, here we go. It looks like this might be the one last fight here for GameStop. Please don't get rejected. Usually with these patterns, guys, it's one of these candles that tests the EMA, whether it breaks out or it just drops. This happened yesterday. Watch. Let me see if I can find it. Right here. Same pattern. Same pattern. Look, it takes one candle to actually just cause the drop. So it looks like we have the same pattern here with GameStop. We're waiting for that one candle, that one decisive candle. Are we going to push up or are we going to come down? Both. You guys, a lot of you guys have both. Only AMC, very little GameStop. Kramer's probably talking about it again. The 10 years at 1.74. You guys think we could go to 2%? World Star Hip Hop is in the chat. There's the pullback. Cheek clenching time. Yeah, these technicals, man. I love technicals. Charts are like 80%. I love candles. I love crayons. But this is not the technical we want to see here, guys. YouTuber Matthew Perry's gang have paper hands. In his channel, always talks about taking profits. There's nothing wrong with taking profits. That's the thing. There's nothing wrong with that. If you want to live in the stock market, you got to make money. You got to take your profits. But you always have to have a plan. That's the thing. What's your plan? What's your risk tolerance? Everybody here has different plans on GameStop, AMC, and different risk tolerance. They're working with different capital. Everybody's different. Market is crap today. Yeah, the NQ, the Nasdaq's, my alert hasn't gone off, but as of now, it looks like it's coming off a new low here. I mean, with the 10-year going up, inflation, blah, 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 I feel like we're going to get some deals. That's why I'm not deploying my capital on Tesla just yet. And it always does this. It never comes from me. Tesla always does the opposite. A lot of tech down. Yeah, a lot of tech is down. But usually that's when I like to buy, guys. When stocks are down, that's where you buy. What's that quote? What's that quote? If there's blood on the streets, buy no matter if there's blood on the streets, even if it's your own blood or something like that. Everyone's got a plan until they get punched in the face. Mike Tyson. Go, baby! AMC's cup and handling, 1452. We're back at AMC is just so strong, guys. I love this stock. I love the stock. Look at the 30-minute chart. It's insane how we have not seen a pullback to like $12, guys. And GameStop is pulling back one more time. So you guys like it when it's better like this, right? On the left? How does it look on the stream? There we go. I don't want to see GameStop at 200, guys. You guys know what happens at 200. Stop loss hunting. When there's blood, there's money. I don't think that was a quote by Warren Buffett. It was by some other guy. When is the FTDs getting delivered? See, that's a question I'm still asking. These failure to delivers, what if they don't deliver them? They'd probably get slapped with a small fine of 20 million, 30 million, which is nothing. It's like if I go rob a bank and they're just like, oh, $10 here. You're free to go. Sometimes I think, I know it's weird to say this, but that these guys are above the law. With the SEC not doing anything, they're literally just blinded right now. They're asleep. And it makes me think like that. Do you guys think like that as well? But here's a pullback on GameStop again, 203. Oh, it's gonna test the SMA. SMA is literally at 197. This might affect 202, 201. Stop loss crashes, but I'm not buying GameStop right now. Check off Intel. Okay, I'll do that right now. Give me 1 second, guys. Pulling back to EMA. All right, we're seeing a bounce here, guys. What do we touch? 201. Man, this stonk is going to give me a heart attack. Every day for days. $1.75. I need to pull up a tab on that 10-year. My alert hasn't gone off though for NASDAQ, guys. Now, looks like we're slightly bouncing. Still very early in the trading day. Give it some time. $34,000 wall at 1450, but best believe it'll fall as soon as we hit it. Yeah, there's definitely going to be a wall in the 50s for AMC. We saw that. What day did we hit? 1450 that we struggled. What day was it? On Monday, 1450 was that high. So watch that price resistance, guys. 1450. We're bouncing off EMA. Very strong pattern on AMC. Very happy. It is a cup and handle. It's more like a V. Much like a V what we saw in GameStop the other day. Very fast and quick recovery. Good morning, Gilbert. Good morning, Grants. What's up, David? The quote is, when there's blood on the street, it is time to buy. I think it's different. I'm gonna put Wall Street, blood on the street. It's different. There's a little spin to it. Let's see. Buy when there's blood on the streets, even if it's your own blood. It's still pulling back 200. Stop losses just are probably gonna get triggered right now. Let's see. Where are my dip buyers at? Fall to 199. Damn. Next level would probably be 196. Let's see. Nicholas, welcome back. Still pulling back. 198. Where's that bounce at? Where is that bounce at? Island check. Ralph, I started watching you at 801 day and I'm addicted. Is there a 12-step program for you yet? I don't know what you mean by that. I appreciate you joining in and sticking around. 12-step program. The quote is buy and go to the moon. The 10 years at 1.7. All right, we're bouncing. Again, we're waiting for that recovery, guys. We're waiting for that recovery. Oh, it's for addictions. Yeah, sometimes I feel like an idiot. I'll check right now. I'll check my Twitter right now. Give me 1 second. No, for the 10-year, I don't know how to pull the 10-year on Thinkorswim, to be honest. I know it's on here. These rates are on here somewhere, but there's a lot still to figure out about Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim is very complex. There's a lot on Thinkorswim. But I keep it simple. Just like my indicators. I literally just use two indicators, guys. SMA and EMA, that's it. Go AMC. Oh, it's seeing some slight resistance here at 1450. We hit 1452 though. Guys, AMC is just so strong. I think we hit 15, maybe 1550 if we hold the midday. Like we've had days where this held midday twice. I think on Thursday and Friday. Or Friday and Monday. Was it? Yeah, Friday and Monday. Look at this. Shot up, held, consolidated both days, and closed near the highs. That's insane. Looks like we're about to see another day like this today. Let's break past that. Hopefully GameStop will follow. Yeah, GameStop is still trying to find some support here at 203, 200. Yeah, the 10 years here somewhere. No, I know you could set the custom time frames, but I just keep it simple too. 1 minute, 4 hour, 1 minute, 5 minute, and 4 hour are my favorite time frames. I appreciate that, Virtual Kevin. Appreciate the sub. Thank you so much. Welcome to the community. Yeah, 1450 is literally tested 3 times today. 1452 is twice where we spiked and pulled back. But again, very strong recovery. Very nice uptrend V-like pattern. I love it. I'm waiting for GameStop to do the same. We're still waiting for GameStop. I don't think GameStop and AMC are coordinating anymore. They were yesterday. There's days where it doesn't, and there's days that it does. Very interesting. AMC is primed to shoot to $15. I think once we break 1450, we could see 15 bucks. Look at GameStop go. This is what I'm talking about. Cup and handle. Let's try to hit GameStop back to 207. First and foremost, 207. Let's get back to 207, which happens to be the first level we came under the descending triangle. Kramer bought those huge blocks after ours last night and thought he should sell it up today. You never know. You never know. Angelica, hey Ralph, any quad witching plays at the back of your mind? Basically just these two. AMC GameStop. This is what I'm watching. Oh, Tesla's coming back down. Futures are coming back down. It's so interesting, man. How like how NQ pulls back and GameStop bounces, and as NQ bounces, GameStop pulls back. It's like an inverse ETF. It's like T keys and S keys. Mitch Peace, thank you for the dono. Again, don't donate. Use the money for the markets. All we ask for is 269 likes on the video. We're at 263. Let's hit 69 for the memes. Should I sell my TB12? Tom Brady 12 rookie cards for AMC? That's a question you can answer. I can't answer that. I cannot answer that. Chris says, hey man, I love the streams because you sound like you're speaking about what you know and you don't sound full of thank you for the content. I appreciate that, Chris. Thank you so much for that. Yeah, guys, there's a lot I don't know. I'm a retard. I'm a retarded ape. There's a lot I don't know. That's why we have a community here. We have the best community, guys. We find the answers to everything together. 319, are we keeping that quiet? I have not talked about the quad witching day. I'll probably make a video about that. I just wanted not to give off the sentiment that, hey, this is the day it's going to run. This is the day these stocks pop off. That's the last thing I want to do. Why? Because if nothing happens, people might get spooked out. People might sell. So I've been kind of just like iffy about that. And one of the easiest ways to get discouraged and sad is to get your hopes up. The dude is wearing a spacesuit. Of course he's a smooth brain. Guys, look at the resistance here at 1450. Literally, these candles are seeing rejection at 1450. Smooth brain with some wrinkles. The 1450 is just teasing me, man. Every 5 cents and every half dollar, every dollar, we're going to see some resistance. Tesla, yes, we're waiting for Tesla. Yeah, Tesla is Tesla. Tesla. Yeah, they're flat topping. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here at 1450, guys. I'm waiting for that 1450 to literally flash on the ask. All right, GameStop is looking slightly. I don't want to get my hopes up, but there might be a slight promising recovery here on this bounce here at 204. Let's see 207. You guys think we could see 207? Is 207 a meme for GameStop in the next 10 minutes or so? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Thanks for making your Discord free and putting a paywall like other YouTube and not putting a paywall. Everything's free here, guys. All we ask for is you destroy the like button. So I'll plug in the Discord really quick. Literally the only money I make is off the ads. That's it. Just keeping it transparent with you guys. The ads. Oh, and the donations. But the donations, they go back to you guys via the giveaways we have on the daily basis. Where is he? It's Sibi. You won yesterday. You were the first one to comment. It's CB. Are you here? Because I still have to send you your money. Yes! 207 is not a meme, baby! Let's go! Set up my alert! It always gets rejected on my alert. Either that or my alerts are broken. Or my alerts are broken or something. Damn it! Alright, that's step one right there. Testing that resistance. It looks like, you guys see this? There might be a recovery coming. This is what I see in my smooth brain. My smooth brain sees this. Again! Again! Look at that wall. 1450. I think we could break above it. It pulled back and it shot back up. This is strong. You should put an ad when you go to the bathroom. I literally never knew you could put ads on live streams, guys. I did not know that. I could hit all of you guys with an ad right now. But I'm scared. It's CB's here, yes. Make sure you DM me. Let's go! No wall for me, baby. There's no wall. Walls do not exist in my smooth brain. We have 1454. Guys, we're breaking out. Came to your stream for the push over 1450. We got that push. We broke above 1450. That's good. So usually it'll pull back to EMA and then bounce again. Now we're waiting. The wall was getting gobbled up. Yep, I agree. Watching Ralph Ball in line for the vaccine. Renee, let me know how that goes. I heard there's 2 vaccines. The first one's not that bad, but the second one's that one that just knocks you out. The second one. Tesla is not a meme. I think it was this /TN, right? Let me see. I never knew that. Oh, what is this? My smooth brain is not working right now. I don't know what this. But it doesn't say what percent it is though. That's the thing. That's why I just Google 10-year and it just tells me, guys, this might be the recovery. GameStop break above, hit 209. Come on, it's right there. AMC reopens 90% of U.S. theaters. Yes. I know a lot of you guys asked in my ass. You guys were spooked to get the vaccine. Your arm hurts for a couple days. Yeah, my dad got it on and he couldn't move his arm. His arm was like really like paralyzed. That was the second shot, by the way. Guys, we broke past that wall, but it looks like it doesn't want to hold above 1450. Again, it's testing EMA. Tell us when you're hitting an ad so I can turn off ad block. I have both shots of Pfizer, no issues. Tesla's falling, guys. Should we catch this? Don't FOMO. All right, let's give it one more. What? Oh, it's bouncing faster than I thought. Oops, that's not the right zoom. Let's see. 672 is bouncing to 674. Not bad, not bad. $650 over the wait for Tesla. Have those bars under the graph been there the whole time? The volume? Is this what you mean? Remember Neo, yes. I have my price target, right? I need to just sit on my hands. Let's see, don't forget Neo. My other has not gone off on that one either. Here comes AMC, round 2. Round 2. This time we know the wall can be broken. Let's see, Is there another wall still over there setting up? 1447. Watch the ass, guys. I have YouTube Premiere so I don't get hit with ads. Going to make coffee, scream if anything happens. Lynn, it better be all black coffee. It better be all black. All right, let me set my alert again one more time. I love hearing the little ding sound in my ear. That's the money calling right there. Let me see. Black coffee is definitely the way. I agree. Um, yeah, black coffee helps definitely with fasting. Suppresses your hunger. No sugar, just straight black. All right, we're waiting. We're waiting for the break above 207 on GameStop and 1450 once again for AMC. Patience, patience. Yeah. Yeah, Mark. You'll be at the bathroom a couple times with black coffee. Set 10 alerts like 2 cents apart for the ding ding ding. You could literally set unlimited alerts on every little second, every little tick up or down. There, see, it went off. But then again, I don't like having it cluttered. But you could hide these lines, guys, and have it just have a little yellow arrow here on the right side so you won't have lines everywhere. But GameStop looks promising here on the second push for the reversal at 206.46. Show me 207. Come on, we're waiting. Market makers, Jim Cramer, manifested 207 breakout here as AMC pulls back. It's like an inverse ETF. As AMC pulls back, GameStop is pushing up. What is going on? Let's go. Let's go. Broke above 207. The earnings report, which is expected to be released on March 23rd for GameStop. Yes, correct. I agree. Thank you for the information. Yeah, guys, they changed the earnings date. And thank you for all of you guys who are helping with the due diligence and sending me facts, articles on Twitter, Instagram, on Discord. It really helps out the community. It makes everything so much easier and quicker. 208.64. Guys, this pattern here this happens all the time with GameStop when we pull back. And when we pull back and hit new lows, it recovers. This is insane. This is insane. Remove drawing. Let's remove this drawing really quick. You guys see this range here? This range of 1435 and 1450? That's where we're bouncing up and down on AMC. For GameStop, when are you trying to catch Tesla? I'm trying to catch some Tesla. I said 650s, but I'm already tempted to buy at 670. That's the mistake I made last time. Come on, GameStop. You have legs. You have legs influencing AMC here on the price action at 1440. I want AMC above 1450. And GameStop, this V recovery is coming once again pretty fast. Here at 7 a.m., 18 minutes ago. The strength of the apes is unreal. Yeah, guys, that's why it's just so insane trading stocks nowadays. I'm not saying I have like 100 years of experience in the stock market. I started trading in high school in like 2015. It's so different now with Reddit, like these Discord communities, YouTube, you guys, the culture is insane. Like before we would not have paper hands, diamond hands, apes. It's like it's so much, it's so lovely now. It just makes trading so much better. And it's really like I don't know how to explain it. It's just insane. The culture, man. Every time I see a hit piece by the Motley Fool, I hate the Motley Fool. They are shills. I remember when AMC was pulling back and GameStop as well. They literally had 3 articles in the time span of 20 minutes bashing AMC and GameStop. And I always get their ads on YouTube. It's a business culture. Yeah, we have a family. The best family. I see Tesla in your future, Gary. I don't know what you mean by that, Gary. I see Tesla in your future. Like, I'll buy some Tesla? Is that what you mean? All right, 208 for GameStop. Again, let's continue this uptrend. If we're going to continue this uptrend headed into midday into power hour, I'm happy. I'm happy. Let's hold above 200. AMC is still between this range here at 1450 and some support right around 1430. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Ralph, are you 23 years old? Yes. I am 23. Years ago, 10% gain on a year was a baller. Now it's a good day. Now we're seeing 10%, 20%, 30 every day. Who here has had the craziest percentage return? I want to hear it. I want to see that percentage. That's why I love these stocks, AMC and GameStop, guys. I'll literally die watching paint dry if I put 50% in Coca-Cola. Like, the stock is literally stuck at $50. Look at this. $50.80. This is not fun to me. I love the roller coaster. I love the stocks. I love the culture. Show me some swings, man. 13,000% on Tesla calls in November. I had 1,078% INKW, 340% AMC. 23 years ago, sperm made an AMC fan. If GameStop hits 1,000 and I am still holding, I will tattoo Ralph to the moon on my butt. Someone screenshot that. Because I still don't know how to screenshot on my PC. I'm a retarded ape. Midday and Power Hour were completely different. Yeah, Power Hour, Tom Brady usually comes through fourth quarter. Usually 30 minutes early or 30 minutes late, maybe even the fourth quarter. So let's be patient. Most far was Cardano. ADA, I'm trying to get in crypto, man. Like I said, guys, for those of you that just tuned in, I want to have some of you guys on YouTube on Sundays. Just bringing some due diligence, chill vibes. Very chill vibes, laid back on Sunday. So I want to have some of you guys on. I plug in the Discord, hop in there. I want to do cryptos on the weekends. Yes, GameStop. Guys, we're breaking out on GameStop. We are having that V recovery here at 211. AMC, follow along. Literally, I envisioned it. You guys saw that? The V? This is what is happening. Orders piling on GameStop. Ooh, my hands are getting sweaty. Tequila Sundays? Maybe, yeah. That's a good idea, right? Because markets are closed. I can't make stupid buys. I can't YOLO everything on GameStop, AMC, Tesla. Tesla, you guys see this? The Wumbo? I see a W here. Very choppy, very odd. Oh, I see. Oh, this V is just so beautiful. Oh, yes! You know what is the V? What? Last Sunday was super chill. Yeah. Sundays, guys. You guys have some time on the weekends. I know Sundays I don't want to speak about it on YouTube, but very chill. My wife's boyfriend's sister says GameStop AMC to the moon. I'm surprised, like, how this push here is not helping AMC out. It's pretty much here still within this range at 1440. Hmm. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. That's one thing we have not peeped. So we're above EMA, guys. We're back above EMA on the 5-minute after the scary drop here to 198. The key here is holding above 209, guys. 209. Like it's the opposite. It's happening. It's the opposite right now for AMC, guys, and GameStop. Pulling back. Let it cool off. We're still green on both stocks for the day. AMC is looking like Coca-Cola, just moving sideways, right? But again, we're still having the uptrend. It did not hold the 1435 range. Give it some time. Let's see where we bounce off of. Let's see these new levels of support. But again, when in doubt, you zoom out. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this uptrend. This is so beautiful. You can see this breakout on this cup and handle forming. It's coming. Just be patient. GameStop is holding above 209. This green candle after the first initial red candle on the pullback. Usually these pullbacks are 2 to 3 red candles. So let's not get too excited here at 211 for GameStop. But if this candle does break out at 212, we could possibly test 213s. Let's see it. Don't tell me it's going to crab walk all around 1450 today. I would rather have it crab walk at 1450 than pull back and test some new support. But then again, testing some new support, always not the, it's not bad. It's not bad. Once GameStop closes above 220, I guess it would be a good sign. Above 220s, we're still, let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, above 220s would definitely be still in the game. Definitely still have higher lows on the 1 hour. Very beautiful uptrend if we do still close above 220 for GameStop. Gemini, I have to go to work. See you at 3:45 p.m. Have a great day. Thank you so much. I'll see you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much. Tesla, what is Tesla at? 5K walls at 1225. Let's see. $4 million volume on GameStop compared to 46 million on AMC. Can you shout out Randy and Danny? Randy and Danny watching them stonks. Do you guys have paper hands or diamond hands? I want to hear that. And what are you holding? What are you trading? What is Randy and Danny trading? Shout out to you guys. Welcome to the Ape Squad. Yeah, 46 million compared to 4 million on GameStop. Talk about a volume swap. I DM'd you. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys for sharing the information. Oh, it makes it easier. It makes it super easier and faster to get information. So thank you guys so much. Philip, I don't know if you're a bot or you're a real person that's trolling me, but we have some bots in here apparently. Guys, we're pulling back on AMC. GameStop testing the EMA here. I wasn't too sold here on this bounce here at 211 on this first green candle. Usually they're followed by 2 to 3 consecutive red candles before we test EMA. So it looks like we're testing 209, 210 here for GameStop. Again, beautiful uptrend, beautiful V recovery on GameStop for AMC. I don't know what to call this. This looks like an upside down cup and handle, guys. It's like an inverted cup and handle. Very interesting, but we're still above $14. Again, we're at this weird time of day where we usually crap sideways, but give it some time, baby. KE, these are the things I thought I would never hear myself say if it wasn't for Ralph. Not sure if that's a compliment, man. I appreciate that. I don't understand that though. I'm a little confused. Remember, I have a smooth brain. Or George W. This is not a W. This is an inverted cup and handle. I think that's one of the funniest sayings. The George W. Oh yeah, guys. Let me see. There. Where's this fake Ralph at? Let me try to find an example. Just so you guys are all aware, because I don't want of you guys getting scammed. I don't want to see the getting scammed. Here we go. All right, we're bouncing. Roaring Kitty tweeted. We'll take a look at that right now. But there's this guy named Ralph, right? This is the fake Ralph, and he has the same picture, and he's asking for crypto on WhatsApp. Just report it. I know he spelled my name wrong here on this one, but this was 5 days ago. They're getting smarter now, so they spelled my name right. But there's some of you guys who actually thought this was me. Just throwing this out there. Report it. It's not me. I do not ask you for Bitcoin. I do not ask you. I don't even have a WhatsApp. So just throwing that out there because I know some of you guys might fall for it. It looks so legit too. Roaring Kitty did tweet. Let's pull this up. Take a look at this.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the
What? Oh, you love to see it. You love to see it. AMC and GameStop are both bouncing, guys. GameStop, let's go. What did I just walk into? You guys are funny. Always making a meme out of everything. The fake Ralph. I love it. I love it. You guys this is the best community ever. Louisiana Saturday Night. Is that the song? I love Roaring Kitty. All right, here comes GameStop one more time. We're literally V recovering on GameStop. It's hitting the SMA. Is it going to trigger my alert? Is it going to trigger my alert? Did it just get rejected at SMA? It hit our price target, but I want my alert to go off. I want to hear that ding in my ear. Guys, AMC is playing the game, the higher low game. Not necessarily bad, guys. You guys see this? It could literally slither all around and still break out. I can't play the music because I'm gonna get copyright. I'm gonna get a copyright strike. And the channel is gonna get deleted. Fake Ralph equals Fralf. C4 Silva, thank you for the dono. My brain is so smooth, I thought smooth brain meant smart. My brain is so smooth, I thought smooth brain meant smart. Thank you so much for the support in the community. You don't have to donate, guys. All we ask for is you destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's make it a goal. Let's hit 420 likes. If you guys are enjoying the stream, make sure to drop a like. That's all we ask for. Completely free streams, free Discord. I'll plug it one more time in the chat. But that was such a comment right there. My brain is so smooth. I thought smooth brain means smart. Jeff, I appreciate that. I love your feed on my AirPods. I have your feed on my AirPods. My assistant keeps throwing stuff at me to get my attention. I'm Hug Lucky and my boss. Keep up the good work. I appreciate that. Thank you for tuning in. AirPod pump. Let's get an AirPod pump in here. AMC GameStop. Let's test 213 once again for GameStop. AMC, I'd love to see that wedge back here at 1438. Again, you guys said you guys don't want a crab on AMC. Fake Rob gives Arby's gift cards away. I've never been to Arby's, by the way. Is it good? All right, GameStop. I want to hear that ding, baby. You guys want to hear it too? Come on. Come on. You're right there. You're right there. Are you going to tease me like that? Oh. You guys heard that? You guys heard that? 214. Oh, 214.51. This can shoot up to 219 right now, guys. If this happens, talk about a V recovery. Talk about a strong stonk. Arby's sauce is the best thing ever. Arby's be hitting. Come on, 219. If we hit 219 right now, literally we have V'd in an hour and 6 minutes from the market. Since the market opened, we V'd. I've never been to Arby's. Come on. I don't know. I just Arby's is the Disneyland of fast food. I guess I'm gonna have to go today. The ding scared me. Deep F and Valley tweets and GameStop goes up $10. He's the Elon Musk for AMC. I ain't hear no bell. Is Arby's in New England? I fell in love in Miami. Good morning, Space Kitty. Welcome back. You deserve to be locked up if you eat at Arby's. What? We have mixed opinions in the chat. Does Arby's even have a stock? Do they even have a stock? I know McDonald's does. I think Jack in the Box does this too. Yeah, Jack. All right, if GameStop hits 220, we go get Arby's. Is there even one here? Yeah, all right. I guess we'll get Arby's later for the stream. What's your go-to Arby's order? Someone put me on something. AMC is bouncing here at 1433 again. We have these lower highs here at 1454, but I'm not too worried. We are still 5% up on the day. Having this slight uptrend headed into midday, into power hour. Let's see it. Mark says, all right, gotta go. You've talked me into an Arby's run. Beef and cheddar. Don't do that to yourself. Robert says turkey and Swiss market fresh sandwich. From where? Arby's is the most shorted stock. I'm gonna keep it real with you because you seem like a civilized man. Do not eat that stuff. Wow. I'm an ape. I'm no civilized man. What are you talking about? I literally ate an onion. What do you mean civilized? Jamocha. All right, guys, look at this recovery on GameStop. Remember, we went 40 minutes without crossing under the blue line on GameStop one day. The day we got halted, we went 40 minutes. As of now, I'd say we're like from 716. I can't do math. Like 20 something minutes above EMA. We have yet to pull back, so that's a beautiful uptrend. Arby's is not a meme. If there's one fast food stock I'd buy and hold till I die, it would be In-N-Out. Unfortunately, they're private. They're not public. In-N-Out is never gonna go. It's like, I don't know. I just probably go all in on In-N-Out. Go all in. Look at Chipotle. Bro, I can eat Chipotle every day and the stock is insane. Look at the recovery on the 4 hour. Oh my gosh, look at this. Even on the daily, it's even sexier on the daily. Look at that. Look at that chart, man. Pulling back, testing EMA, came under. Still have that uptrend, so let's give it some time. I do. I eat Chipotle I literally had a lot yesterday. Watch. It's like every day I could eat it. I have like a lot of the free coupons. I should own the stonk. I don't like Chick-fil-A. It's overrated. Too overrated. Chipotle coupon raffle? What is wrong with you? Chipotle any day over Chick-fil-A. Way better than Chick-fil-A. Shake Shack overrated. Truly overrated. Come on, GameStop. Still at 213, guys. You guys see this uptrend? So beautiful. Now we're just patiently waiting. Patiently waiting for that return to 1445 on AMC and 216 on GameStop. A Roaring Coomer, a big fan. Thank you. Welcome. Roaring Coomer. I like that name. In-N-Out 4x4. It's too small, man. Too small. 4x4 is too small. If Chipotle can do it, AMC can do it. AMC to 1,000. Yeah, Chick-fil-A is closed on Sundays. 211. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. I think we're testing EMA one more time. EMA on the 5 minute is at 210. We have some cushion to pull back and bounce off of that support. Give it some time, guys. Give it some time. I'm at least trying to hold green on GameStop right now. Let's hold green. Rob is a Coomer. EXPR. Express. Why did it just change on that? Let me see. They had earnings, right? This is not bad. I like the stock. Let me set my alert just in case. Are you into this on EXPR? Oh, it's still pushing. You guys see this uptrend here? Such a beautiful technical breakout here at 508. Would I chase it up here? Absolutely not. It's still taking new highs. I would not chase it though. I'd probably wait for like $5. I set my alert at 505. Tesla. GameStop testing that trend line. Opposite time. GameStop pulls back here on the 1 minute. It's AMC's turn to push up again. We're back in this range here at 1438, guys. Red Dragon, I gotta go to school now. Love your stuff. AMC to 1000. Thank you so much, Red Dragon, for tuning in. Good luck at school. Whataburger is the Tesla of fast food? You mean overpriced? Oh, someone just tweeted about the gamma squeeze on EXPR. We just covered EXPR right now. Will Mead. Gamma squeeze on EXPR. Very interesting. The stock that fits all the same criteria of GameStop is EXPR. All right, I got a little FOMO there. EXPR $1.18 like GameStop had a share price of under $5. It just received $140 million in financing from hedge funds Sycamore Partners and Wells Fargo. So both GME and EXPR had backing from a hedge fund, a retail brand name that could turn around. All right, EXPR has cash per share of 1.63 above its share price to sales of a 0.6, similar to GameStop before the big run. Short interest is 13%. EXPR was $10 in 2018. Keep this on watch, guys. Very interesting. Gamma squeeze in EXPR today. Tweeted 13 minutes ago. I'm having FOMO. Oh. If this pushes up, it could possibly hit like $7. But then again, I'm scared to chase it here. You know what? Let's see. EXPR is a distraction. Rob likes Chipotle because they sell beer. I think they do, right? They don't sell White Claws though. Chester says, my boss literally walked in while I'm watching your stream and working. He said, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm watching numbers go up and down. And he said, apes strong together. What? Telling you apes are going worldwide, man. We are a strong community. Ralph, stop saying Tesla. Oh, just like RKT. Anyone here still in Roblox? Trading Roblox? I forgot about that stock. Ooh, 72. What did it hit, like 80 something? 92. I'll maybe catch a falling knife on this one. Maybe. Don't stop saying Tesla. Screw Roblox. Roblox just dip. Roblox me holding. It's a little too high for me. What the heck is a Tesla? Someone explain. Someone explain. My buy for Roblox is 67. Yeah, I set my alert. I'm willing to catch that falling knife, actually. Maybe for a day trade. Tesla. What's up with NFTs? Anyone here to buy Top Shot NBA? The NBA NFTs, those are going insane. Like you'll have a digital card of LeBron James having a dunk go for like $36,000. That's epic. Tesla equals ape Tesla. I think someone sold an NFT of a house. Imagine buying a digital house you don't even own, having a mortgage on a digital house you don't even own. It's digital. You can't walk in there, you can't see it. That just blows my mind. It went for like $1 million, I think. You're gonna get a Tesla tattoo if AMC hits 200. Someone screenshot Junior. I'm gonna hold you up to that. Tesla tattoo on my arm if AMC hits 200. What? I'm gonna tweet at Elon. Let's see, I might get a reply, and if I do, Victor replied, Prepare for the popcorn. AMC opened up 90% of theaters Friday. I'm thrilled. I can't wait. 211 for GameStop. Still testing that higher support trend line here. AMC as well. Still dangling. We're pretty much crabbing, guys. Not a lot of action going on here on AMC and GameStop. Let's be patient. Chill vibes right now, actually. Let's wait for some action. 15K subs today? I don't know. Yeah, PS5 giveaway for sure, though. I just don't know if I should start already getting my hands on one. We're so close to 15K. Let's see. We're at 14,662. We hit 420 likes on the stream. Let's go, baby. Yeah, top shots are crazy. LeBron for 100K. Yeah, 100K for a LeBron 3-point swoosh. That's insane. The thing is, I think it's in a bubble. Call me crazy, but I think it's in a bubble. Tesla dipped. Did futures just pull back? Futures are dangling near the lows, guys. No, I'm still waiting for a bigger dip. Rob, you have a PS5 plug? Yeah, I've had a lot of emails. And I have a couple friends who have like a couple PS5s. David, you're still in here, right, David? Thank you for those Reddit articles. I'll read them after the stream. What do you guys think the short interest is for GameStop? I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Give me a number. Someone did some due diligence that GameStop was at 190% short interest yesterday. $250%? I don't know. Or 28%, 5,200. I was thinking that, Mike. I was thinking that 140. That was my number in my head. Check out Ehor on Twitter. He knows. Ehor, let me see. Yeah, S3. Ehor from S3 Partners. I freed up $500 of buying power. Where do I put it? I can't answer that question for you, but if I have some cash on the side just to cash some Tesla. Yeah, Ehor's very bullish on an AMC squeeze. Yeah, Fidelity had a weird prediction of AMC hitting 990 days. I don't know about that though. 990 days? You have to ask yourself sometimes with these crazy price targets like 2000, like just be real with yourself. Like if AMC you woke up and it was at $100, how many of you would sell and take profits at $100? How many of you would probably sell half? Or how many of you would hold? That's the thing. Like, it's easy to say now because AMC is at $14. But when that time comes and it's there, it's very different. It's very different. There's no way to see short interest on Thinkorswim. No, I don't think so. Not that I know of. Not me, not me. I would sell half. I'd sell, hold. Paper hands are off. Me at 35 shares, hold. Half. That paid off for a lot of people. Yeah, you got to keep in mind where everyone's in a different financial position. That's the thing. There's nothing wrong with that. I would sell 1/3. You could possibly sell one half of it. You could also be buying the dips too. That's the thing. Sell 200, but at 100 shares, 100 is a lock, 50 is a stop loss. This channel is rigged if you sell at 100. What would I do? I feel like at $100, I would already have increased my position. So I would possibly lock in half of profits there and ride the rest, but I'll be buying on the way down too. Because there's going to be pullbacks. There's going to be pullbacks and I'll be buying the dips. Yeah, I just give you my honest answer what I would do. That's what I would do. Yeah, that also depends how fast it gets there. How fast how long is it going to take to get there? And that's it, guys. That's the thing with me. At core, I'm a day trader. As cringy as that sounds, like that's why it's very hard for me to hold positions like long. Like this GameStop and AMC situation is very different from what I do, what I'm used to. If you go back to my January videos and you watch all my videos, I have every single position I took on Tesla. I day traded the heck out of Tesla in December and January. I just day trading in Tesla, buying the dips, selling the rips. Every single day I recapped my profits. So that's why it's very different, this whole GameStop and AMC situation. I was even day trading GameStop when it was at $70. I was even catching, and it was making me a couple hundred, like $300-400. I was like, damn, because the volatility was insane. These dips were getting bound. It was just crazy. My smooth brain would buy $200 calls. Tesla has amazing swings, guys. Tesla fell to 539 and it shot up to 700. Like that's money right there. How much money do you have to have in Thinkorswim to day trade without a limit? 25K. Any broker, 25,000. That's called the pattern day trading rule. You have to have over $25,000 in your account to be able to day trade. Rob has paper hands. That's just me keeping it real with you guys. I don't want to mislead people. I don't want to lie to people. So that's what I would do. And like I said, I'll still buy the dips. I even got spooked on, guys. The first position I had on AMC. Can someone guess what I bought it at? This was before anything of this happened. That's why it blows my mind how far it's come. How many trades can you execute in a week? It's 3 per 5-day period. I was taking like 20 trades a day for Tesla. And that's the thing. What works for me is not going to work for a lot of you guys. And what works for you guys might not work for me. Everyone has a different trading strategy. That's why I love the markets. Look, right now we're still wedging. I mean, we're still trading sideways here on AMC. Not a lot going on. But we're still waiting. $3, $4, no. Yep, you got it right. Rinnegan 214. I was buying AMC at $2.50. I put a Let's see, where is it at? I put it out December 24. I'll link it right here really quick. That's it. Look, I said buying one share of AMC stock will cost you $2.51. That's less than a candy bar at the actual theater. Buy and hold for 10 years. Thank me later. December 24, 11:24 a.m. It just made sense to me. This play made sense to me. Price target 400. What price would you buy Tesla at? The first time around, I made a mistake on Tesla by buying so fast, so early. Yeah, I did not know the market was going to bleed day after day and pull back. And I got kind of spooked. I'm like, you know what? If it comes down even more, I'm going to double down. And it went to like 560s before it gapped up and it shot up. So it shot up too fast. I was expecting a rebound to be aggressive, but not that aggressive that quick. So I had sold. I was down like $600 on Tesla. And I barely got out with like 700 profit. But if I would have waited, I would have made $5,000. You had wrinkles in your brain back then? Yeah, my smooth brain was working back then. That's why it's good to buy in slowly sometimes. Yeah, I thought I was buying slowly. I was buying 5 shares of Tesla every time it came down, and I guess I got stuck at a bad average. In case it keeps going down, you have cash left to average down. Yeah, that's exactly what I was doing. This quantity of stocks matters since the how much you can buy with GameStop and AMC is very different. Wait, I don't understand the wording of it. You mean like shares, share-wise? Because one thing when I first started trading that made sense to me was buying penny stock. I started with penny stocks. Why? Because I had a smaller portfolio. I said, my smooth brain back then was like, okay, this stock is cheaper. I could buy more shares. More shares equals more money if it moves, right? So it makes sense. That's why I think people are going to gravitate towards more to AMC now that it's at $14 compared to 200 on GameStop. But I've just gotten used to day trading Tesla so much. I know how much, like how many shares I should buy and how much I would lose if it pulls back a certain amount, or if it shoots up a certain amount. I'll know in my head, okay, at this price, this is probably this profit. If it comes down here, I'll probably be down this much. If I buy 5, 10, 15 more shares, I'll be here. So, but this is shares. I don't do options. The reason I don't trade options is because I had a bad play. I lost like 6 figures, and guys, don't get into options if you don't know what you're doing. Options are very risky. Very risky. GameStop tweeted, let's reply to them. We like the stock. And since then, I've never touched options again. All right, pulling back. GameStop 209. Again, we're at that weird odd time of day. AMC is still holding in there on the ascending triangle, so be very patient. Staying away from options. Yeah, that happened last February, and I did not trade till this December that just passed, 2020. It's such a bad. I never want to wish anything upon anybody, but then again, I do in a good way. I wish somebody or you guys a loss that makes you realize and makes you focus. Because if it weren't for that loss, I had crazy good months, December and January, day trading Tesla. I found my strategy that worked for me after that loss. You lost 6 figures from your own money, not if it was margin calls, I would probably not be here right now. Like that loss caused me so much pain. I did not trade for like months. I was scared. It's like learning to walk again. I was so scared to trade. And it's like if I imagine I would have quit. That's why you never quit in life. Never give up. If I would have quit, that day, I would not be here. You would not be watching me right now. It's like your first car accident. Yeah, it's like you can't even cry at that point. You just feel like a part of your soul dies. I saw on Reddit, man, it was trending. I think someone lost 500K. I cannot imagine that. Like I know that feeling. It's like, you know. Why does the day trading rule exist? For that same reason. For that same reason, to not blow up your account. That's why it was put in place. Yeah, that guy who took his life, Robinhood is so liable for that 700K loss, and I don't think he was even down 700K. Yeah, someone lost 500K yesterday. The thing is with options is the time decay, the expiration. I was such a retard. That mistake, guys. Hear this out. That mistake of not knowing the time decay and understanding how they could expire worthless cost me. It cost me 60 grand. If I would have known, hey, this contract, if you hold it over the weekend, it's gonna expire, probably worthless. Sell it now. That would have saved me 60 grand if I would have known that. But stupid. All it took is a click of a button and I would have saved 60K. Such an idiot. And now it's just no L's, only lessons. Yeah, everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. Now that I look back, that's the best thing that has ever happened to me in my life. That loss. What if you're holding? No, I was holding puts, man. I was holding like crazy. I literally went all in. Let's see if I could log into my Robinhood. It was on Robinhood too. Damn it. Robinhood crashed. That following Monday, Robinhood crashed. So I couldn't even sell. It crashed for 2 days. Anyone remember last March? Robinhood crashed for 2 days in a row. Everyone, it's so insane because people went on what's it called, LinkedIn. They looked up the coder or the developer Robinhood. They were sending them death threats. A lot of people lost money. The people who held calls got so lucky because the market kept going up. They literally made money on the way up. But the people who held puts like me, I had puts on the SPY, the index. They got clapped. And people were sending them death threats, and it was just crazy. How do I log in? Yeah, just know what you're getting into. I know it's all like Reddit jokes about it a lot. These people losing crazy amounts of money, they're making crazy amounts of money. But options, I'm pretty sure you've heard options. Oh, you can make money faster on options. Yeah, that's true. You can, but you could lose money as fast. Like that when I had lost on the puts, I had made money with those puts before. So I just kept going. I'm like, you know what? This is my luck. I kept running the luck. The market kept coming down. The whole Rona caused the market to crash. So I kept running my luck until that luck ran out. It ran out. You know who clapped me? Mr. Powell. The Fed wrecked me. The Fed said, "Hey, we're gonna print money nonstop. We're gonna pour more money into the markets," and shot up, and I got clapped. GameStop still at 211. Welcome to the casino. Yeah, man, bulls make money. Guys, bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered. I was so greedy. It was just greediness, man. I could have walked away with 100K profit, and I got greedy. Imagine making that in a day and it's so stupid. 1437 AMC. I sold my sundial. Yeah, sorry about that rant. I know I kind of went off right there, just off topic, ranting. All right, we're back at the range, guys. 1440 for AMC. GameStop is still looking promising here at 211. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Above EMA, that's beautiful. Above EMA, that is beautiful. Let's cup and handle back to 216. Let me set my alert. 216, 215, right around there. Should be showing these shorts of, I'm sure. This is the Wendy's. Yeah, if there's one lesson from that, just make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you know your risk. That's it, risk. If you learn how to manage your risk, you'll always be in the markets. Yeah, we're waiting for GameStop to push here and cup and handle to 215. Let me see it. Testing SMA one more time. AMC's back at 1414. We're 1440. We're in that range still. Again, very odd time of the day. Trading sideways. If you still have $18 predictions for AMC, I do. I still think that's my price target. So far we've been right, but I think this is a hard one right here. We have two trading this day and tomorrow, and we're at 14. So we got to go to 18. Let's see. You guys really want a helmet, right, for the suit? If you want 100 shares, you get board credit on the cruise lines. Really? Carnival Cruise Lines? Are you trolling me? 29. This one has been a pretty decent recovery play as well. I thought this would never recover, honestly. Carnival. Anybody here holding Carnival? Knowledge is everything in the market. I think the most important overlooked thing is risk management. That's it. Having a plan. Dan, Trey totally follows you. That's pretty sweet. Does he really? I appreciate that. I appreciate him. Trey's a good guy, man. He deserves all his success. Trey's very smart, guys. Trey is very smart with his fundamentals. He's spot on with his fundamentals. I'm a potato when it comes to fundamentals. I'm way more of a technical trader. Yeah, for learn if you're gonna trade options, learn everything, the ins and outs, everything. Don't make the same mistake I made. Yeah, you make sure you learn it to the T before you hop in. Ragnar, I appreciate that. Do a backflip. Have you tried a cruise? I don't know what you mean by that. Like been on a cruise? No. If that's what you mean. I'm up 90% on Carnival Cruise Lines. Congrats, Mike. 90%. Let's go. Tesla drop. Let's see. Let's try to buy like 5 shares. Let's see. Not enough cash buying power. Are we really that deep into Tesla and AMC? I mean AMC and GameStop. That's crazy. Subject to funding. I guess my thinkorswim is glitchy or something. There's no way. Wait, what does that have no position? Where do my trades go? You guys see this? Is anyone having this glitch? Look, it's not showing. It's saying I have no position in GameStop and AMC. Look. Let me buy 1 share of GameStop. I don't have $200. Something's going on. Are you guys getting this? Freaking thinkorswim Kramer just attacked me. You didn't activate Windows? What? The other Ralph took your money? The man's been paper trading the whole time? Absolutely not. I promise you. I don't know where my shares went. Look, it says I have no positions in anything. I'm broke. Mine's working fine. No, this happens sometimes on thinkorswim. Canceled orders. It says I do not. You know what? WPF. Let me buy 1 share. Let me see if I have $10. Damn it. Guys, GameStop is moving up. I think I just went broke, man. Reload. That happened to me. I had to log out. I got liquidated because I'm a hedgy. Log out, log back in. And no, it shows. It shows. I promise you. When you go to monitor, I literally have shares in Walmart. I have GMBL. I have GSAH. I have, what's another one? I have a couple plays. GameStop, AMC. I got defunded. That's so crazy. I'm scared that once I log back in, all these alerts, it should say on my phone right now. Let me see. No, this happened one time a while ago, but it would still show on the monitor. You know why? I'm such an idiot. Look at the top. This is my freaking IRA. It's supposed to say Ralph Castaneda 1. That's why. No, but I don't have positions in my. No, but I have more than $10. Why is it not letting me buy for my second account? That's crazy. Yeah, I have 2 accounts. Give me a second, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm a potato. I just found out. Look, I'm such an idiot. All right, I found out why. Look at the top left. You guys see this? I have 3 accounts. Look at this. All my accounts. The one that says PDT, I'm flagged as a parent day trader because that's the one I obviously day trade. So if we go here, I'm back to my account. I thought I had lost everything right there. I was like, oh no, Kramer caught us. All right, there we go. Let me see. There we go. Can we get a W in the chat? I thought we literally lost everything for a second. It's fucking that good as this morning. Now I have one share. I have one share of WPF for long term. Let's get some W's, baby. I have BlackBerry. I forgot I was buying BlackBerry. See, now I missed Tesla on that pullback. Actually, you know what? No. Actually, did I miss that pullback? I was scared for you. I was scared myself. I was like, damn, Kramer, hack this again. He paused the video so he could switch seats with Fake Ralph. Oh, damn, this light is just... All right, guys, we're back at the same range for AMC, 1435. Set out a buy order for Tesla. I'm waiting for this bad boy. I kind of don't want to trade Boeing, guys. Walmart? Did Walmart move? Oh, damn it. Walmart is still pulling back. I almost got clapped on Walmart. This is not bouncing. Walmart is not bouncing as fast as I thought it would. GameStop still 211. I would say from airline. I'm a little iffy trading airlines. I'll stay away from vaccines. I don't want to touch J&J, mRNA, Pfizer. No, I don't want to trust that. I'm not a financial advisor again. I'm an idiot. I'm a retard. Yeah, I would stay away. I don't know. Just Boeing is too volatile. Look at this. Look at this. This is nuts. No super chats. Just drop a like. Let's see if we can hit 500 likes. That's the next level of resistance. 500 likes. I'll see you later, Dante. Thank you so much for pulling through. Why do I have Walmart? I'm an ape. I don't know why I bought Walmart. I was buying the dead cat. Tesla's still falling. Let's see if it lets us buy this time. Let's do 5 shares. There we go. Don't sit in Bitcoin. That's a fake Ralph. You guys know it. All right, let's try to make Arby's lunch right here. This is for Arby's. Let's try to make 20 bucks. Let's see it. Let's see 5 minute. All right. Fake Ralph buying fake shares. Yeah, I'm holding Walmart. I'm not too worried on Walmart. Buy Neo. No, Neo's not looking too solid right now. I want to catch Neo as it's pulling back more. Let me see. Thank you for reminding me though. Shark Beat Games. Don't forget Real Ralph begs for Bitcoin. If you aren't, You guys want me to push AMC? Isn't that Tesla chart exactly what a day trader loves to see? Absolutely. Day trader at heart. All right, it's pulling back even more. Let's buy more. All right, we bought 5 more at an average price of 677, which is not too bad. How's Nasdaq? Actually, let's see. I should have waited, but oh, it's pulling back even more. We're down 20. Yeah, those 2 big buys I forgot to cover. 4 million buys. Marcos, welcome. Once market crashes, I'm buying Tesla, Neo, AI, ETH with my GME tendies. Now you bought the dip, it will drop. Knowing my luck. AMC is tanking? Absolutely not. Not tanking. This is a healthy retest of the higher lows. It's retesting. Let it unfold for us. Again, we're midday. We're almost going to lunchtime. Good morning, Aziz. Good morning. Stroke that candle. All right, let's wait for games. Tesla to bounce. All right, let's just leave it. Let's just leave it. GameStop 211. AMC's on that Phineas pattern. Yeah, I agree. Ascending triangle. Don't wash this, Sue. I need to wash this. This has coffee stains all over it. I don't even know where the nearest Arby's is here, honestly. Arby's. It's pretty far. I want a bigger dip on CCIV. Are you holding long term, Mike? What's your plan on CCIV? Are they the next Tesla? I think they'll be able to compete in a couple years. I think they'll get up there. I haven't seen. Did you guys see that video of the test drive with the CEO? Do not watch this soon and continue to wear it daily until we moon. And in Q is crabbing. Yeah, futures are like trading near the lows. Are we bouncing? No, yeah, I agree. We're pretty much sideways flat. We're not seeing a bunch of momentum. We are down on futures. We're red. Where's it at? Visualize. There we go. Pretty red market, I would say. Very mixed. But again, when the market is down, GameStop pulls through with the green. AMC as well. Again, look, it's still within this range here at 1440, guys. I could still see maybe even $15 power hour. Alrighty, GameStop. I love how GameStop held and it rebounded. Don't you guys love it? Arby's will make you feel pretty gross. This is Thinkorswim, yes. A fake Jamer, or is Jamer fake Ralph? Uh 10-year is hanging at 1.738. That's what I'm saying. If there's more, if the market pulls back next week. I've not seen the McLaren P1 video. No. Fake Ralph shoes in a wetsuit. Yeah, my price target is still $18. It might be a stretch, but I'm gonna stay true to that. Let's see. GameStop is looking very bullish here, guys, at 212. It's a slow mover, but it's a sleeping giant above 220s. I'll tell you that. We still have the 220. If we close above 220 on GameStop today, I'm happy. Higher lows on AMC, absolutely. Earnings next Tuesday. The 23rd is Tuesday, right? Yes. We are going to be streaming all of that. So if you guys are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're going to be covering all of it. And Sunday, we're going to be talking some crypto. Yeah, even 15 bucks tomorrow would be pretty dope. 15, 16 bucks would be sick tomorrow. Come on, GameStop. Only fake Ralph runs crooked raffles. You guys are funny. Funny, look at the Cnbc article on Twitter. Reddit founder Alexis Ohanian on his biggest money mistake. Can someone guess what his biggest money mistake is? The founder of Reddit? You guys are gonna laugh at this one. GME? Not selling Reddit to Facebook, not buying GameStop, not betting on GameStop, not betting on GameStop, not going public. Tesla puts. That's Michael Burry's biggest mistake. Tesla puts. He got puts on Tesla, or he was shorting Tesla at 400 before he got the S&P 500. His biggest mistake is hiring a financial advisor. Come on, GameStop. AMC and GameStop are doing the same thing. After the rebound, they're consolidating both of them. His biggest mistake was not slamming whiskey during the congressional hearing. I get all financial advice from the barbershop. Even that one guy yesterday on the hearing, you guys remember that? He was saying all these financial advisors are retards as well. He's like, I would not give him $10 of my own money. What's the volume like right now? Let's see. Yeah, if you guys have not seen the movie The Big Short, I highly recommend you watch that. I haven't seen the margin call one yet. 64 million. They were saying we were smooth brain. 6 million on GameStop. Yeah, we're not moving too much right now, guys. Wait for power or Tesla. When do I go in? Tesla's still not moving. Look at this. It's stuck. It is stuck. I feel like it's gonna come down. It's not doing anything, guys. Let's just wait. Yeah, it looks like NQ's a bot. Like NQ's looking a little toppy here. Neo. Okay, let's wait for this one to come down a bit. How about XPeng? XPEV. I don't know. Yeah, I've just been wearing this for the last couple days. I have not changed at all. The only theology margin called the Big Short and too big to fail. I'm not seeing the other two. Bitcoin is bouncing. Hopefully Tesla follows. Tesla's gonna follow Nasdaq, honestly. That's what I think. I think even if Bitcoin rips to new highs, I don't think it'll move with it if NQ continues to sell off. Guys, we've had a wall here on AMC, literally like a 1441. Literally an hour ago. We've been trading here for an hour. It's barcoding. Not a lot going on. Not a lot going on. But we're still holding higher lows. That's the good thing. Tesla 674. Yeah, Tesla might pull back right now. It's seen rejection for what? Like 30 minutes? It's been rejected under the EMA for 30 minutes. So I'm just waiting for the spike. We're barely going to break even on Tesla right now, actually. All right, there we're in the green again. 420. Tesla looks so tempting. Yeah, I can't stop myself. It's about to break. How's the 5-minute on Tesla? 5-minute is at 678. So if it does push up right now, I could see 678. GameStop still crabbing, still trading sideways. I'm glad we recovered at least, guys. Barcoding is perfect. Yeah, when in doubt, zoom out. We've done multiple days and hit it. Yeah, guys, we're still very much technically bullish on AMC. Look at this. Look at this pattern. It's holding near the highs here. This just blows my mind. We're in good territory right now, guys. GameStop is as well here at 211, but I would love to see that push above 220 on GameStop. Give us some signs that you're going to hit 250. That first sign is definitely going to be closing above 220 today. That's the price target there, 220. EXPR is pulling back. My alert did not go off. So close to going off. Ralph, what's your favorite classic car? You guys are gonna hate me. I don't like classic cars. Caesar, is that Tesla, right? Tesla. My average is 676. What was that graph called again? The next low is higher lows, ascending triangle, Phineas from fur pattern. You got the Phineas ascending triangle. Oh, Powell's supposed to be coming today, right? Again? Powell was supposed to be speaking today, I think. I forgot about that. I guess that's why the market's just pretty much flat. They're waiting. That's it. I want subbed. I should have just waited on Tesla then. GME price target for 1 week. You mean by Friday? I would love to see GameStop at 230 by Friday. My favorite, what? My favorite classic car is a 2002 Honda Civic. He's only like 23 years old. What does that mean? A Tesla. Someone locked Powell out of the room. When you started trading in high school, so you have never had a traditional 9 to 5? Not in high school. Do you like Koenigsegg? See, that's a different level of cars. Koenigsegg, Pagani, Bugatti, that's the next level. But I'm not a fan. Let me see. Let me look. Break above. Come on, it's there again. Let's put 1442. When is he on, guys? Have not seen AMC this stuff for a long time. It's not bad. Consolidating, finding new levels of support is not bad. GameStop. Again, we're at that we're at lunchtime basically. Lunchtime is here. Lunchtime is here. We're at that kind of odd, awkward territory type of day. Well, we pull back usually midday. So let's see. AMC is not looking like a pullback. You notice this? You see this here? Higher lows. I like this. Arby's hour. Discord link. Oh, I forgot to check my Discord. Let me see. Was this yesterday? This is the video. It's private. I think this was yesterday's. Um, GameStop pulling back. This happened yesterday too. New York concerts can restart on April 1st. Was that like some April Fool's joke or something? It's still in this range. AMC looks like it's about to break out. In Burbank, lunchtime, you need to eat. I'm starting to think you're a bot. I'm not a robot. I feel like I've been there, Burbank. You nailed that chart on AMC. You mean the pattern? It's just consolidating. Yeah, it looks like it's about to break out. AMC, it's tining up here. It looks like it's about to just shoot up to like 1445. El chat 118. Got my stimmy AMC. Let's go. Arby's and a White Claw. A hell of a lunch. Cuomo pump. Oh, SOS. What's going on with SOS? What? This had a beautiful chart too. Look, higher lows. Although we're speculating SOS is a scam, that's not to say that you can't day trade this and make some money on it. I don't know what Tesla is doing. Matthew, my first time here. Welcome. I appreciate that. You're awesome too. Welcome. SOS is killing me right now. What price you getting on SOS? Kramer likes SOS. We hit 500 likes. Yeah, let's go, baby. Usually we end the streams around this time, and then we come back power hour. Yeah, scam or not, SOS is going up. You can't. The chart tells the picture. You know. You can't deny that. Come on, AMC's right there, guys. Back out 1441. AMC's about to break out. I agree. It's right there. I would hate to see a failed breakout. It took like an hour and 10 minutes to form this triangle, and for it to just break down like this. I mean, a pullback here on GameStop, a double bottom, maybe the 207 would possibly cause this to break down. You see? Damn it! Damn it. We took an hour to form this triangle, all for it to break down. What was that wall? Like, anybody saw that wall? The size of the wall of 1441? Damn, I don't like that. You spoke it into existence? Bojan, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I'm still trying to collab with them. I'm still trying to find a collaboration. I think we spoke it into existence. So volume maybe see that 1440. Buy Apple. I'd wait on Apple. Honestly, I don't trust Nasdaq. I don't know about Powell. I'm a little iffy on Powell right now. This is such a weird pattern on AMC, guys. Huge wall here at 1441. It tested it, I don't even know how many times. Let's get rid of this really quick. Let's clean it up. Let's take a look. We're still above SMA. We're bouncing up above SMA. Looks like GameStop here might push up to 209, maybe 210. Retest that EMA. Buy Apple when it hits 108. I'm waiting for that bad boy to come down. How's Apple looking? Let's take a look. 30 minute. All right. 4 hour. Semi-alert just in case. Can never go wrong with some Apple. Kramer Kush. It's like watching paint dry. There's not a lot going on, guys. We've been sideways consolidating, but consolidation is not bad. It's not bad. Jay Powell usually damages Nasdaq. Yeah, usually the market's a little shaky, a little iffy, a little uncertain before he talks. It's dropping again. 207. This is going to affect AMC. I don't like this. Usually at this time of day, guys, lunchtime, we have consolidation, usually pullbacks, low volume, but I don't like this pullback here. SMA on the 1 hour is at 198, almost at $200, which happens to be the whole number, which we've already tested. There's that pullback on AMC following GameStop. Most of the USA market is red. Let's take a look. This is such a weird candle pattern here. It's like an M. Neil's dropping. Tesla's probably gonna pull back right now too. Damn, Powell. Not much going on NQ, guys. Not much going on. They're spelling AMC with the candles. I've never heard that before. That's funny. And for Moon, literally an M. All right, it's bouncing. GameStop bouncing as well. Let's peep the 5-minute really quick. EMA's at 210. If we're gonna be dipping on GameStop, we sure better be holding these higher lows, guys. You do not want to see a double bottom. Absolutely not. All right, guys. I think we might. You guys see that? The A. You see the A, and then you see the M. Maybe it's clear on the 5-minute. No, not really. It's such a weird pattern today. So odd. I think we might end it here. We're gonna come back power hour, or should I say Powell hour. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna get my hands on that PS5 today or tomorrow for you guys. So EXPI. Oh, I love that. Daily. This is such a pretty decent pattern, honestly. Semi alert. I don't use the fibs, no. I don't know Carlos. I know I'm not grandson of Carlos, no. Such a beautiful pattern. What does the company do or what? Exports? Streaming Jimmy. Of course, John. We do plan on streaming GameStop earnings call. But we will be back for Power Hour. I'm related to Harambe. GameStop's pulling back. Usually when we come back Power Hour, we see a reversal. We see a recovery. So midday hedge funds are doing it midday. Yeah, midday usually have pullback slow. Not a lot going on, but as of now, it's very odd. Very odd pattern on AMC. I got to say that. But we will be back Power Hour, guys. So I will see you guys after. I'm going to plug in the Discord really quick. Find me in the Discord. Thank you, guys. I'll see you later.